We have a quick option at the bottom left side on the brush settings window. Quick options means just turning on or off without having more options inside. The noise option will add a noise texture in the transparent area. So if you have a soft brush, then the noise will be added to the edges of the brush stroke. Wet edges option gives an effect of watercolor painting. We can see the paint area has a dark border and transparent color inside it that gives an effect like watercolor painting. Build up option is the same as the airbrush option we have seen on the options bar. If you select the option, it will turn on the airbrush mode. It keeps spraying the ink until you leave the mouse button. We already have seen the smoothing. After turning the option on, you can set the smoothing level on the options bar according to your choice. We have understood the brush setting and also have created the brush presets with different settings combinations. Selecting the different brush presets will activate the different settings. But if you want specific settings every time you select a different preset, we have a lock for each setting option. Setting the lock will add that particular setting with the brush preset you select.